Want to give a family member a card on your account? Adding an authorized user is simple, but you should know the benefits and the responsibilities. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Log into your Amex account online or in the app. Navigate to Account Services and find Add Someone to your account. You'll need their full name, date of birth, and social security number. Amex will run a soft credit check on them. You can set individual spending limits for each user. Once approved, their card will arrive in the mail, often within a few days. My crucial pro tip: understand the fee structure first. On personal platinum or gold cards, adding authorized users often comes with an extra annual fee, e.g., $195 for 3 platinum users. Make sure the benefits they'll use, like lounge access or bonus earning, justify that cost before you add them. Share the benefits of your card wisely and securely. Do you add authorized users for the perks, or simply for family convenience? For more guides on managing your card account, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.